Now, I'm gonna try this. The Wednesday special is the Coney Island cheese dogs. So I don't have the jump cut techniques or anything like that. Just raw footage here. I put jalapeños on it and some cheese curds. So here we go. Soft bun, hella chili, hella cheese. As you can see, it's leaking out. It's gonna be a hell of a bite. All over right there. A&W was right next to McDonald's. The only time A&W versus McDonald's, A&W wins every time. Every goddamn time. McDonald's don't got this. No Curds, chili cheese dogs, no. So McDonald's, you post up right next to an A&W will win every time. It's A&W better than McDonald's every time. McDonald's by itself, that's something else. But you put next to A&W will run through McDonald's every time.